Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you tired of cluttered Notion databases with too many groups visible at once? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide hidden groups in your Notion database view, so you can keep your workspace clean, focused, and tailored for your current workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently customize what you see, which makes project management and tracking so much easier. All right, let's jump right in. Imagine you have a Notion database. Maybe it's a table tracking your ongoing tasks, content calendar, or even a habit tracker. In this scenario, our database has a status property and a select property, which you may recognize as those drop-down fields that help you categorize, say, whether a task is in progress, done, or on hold, or any custom labels you've set up. Now, what tends to happen as you use Notion more and more is that your list of groups grows, and eventually, you start to see groups that aren't really relevant for your daily work, maybe some old archived items or tasks you rarely check on. So how do you hide those and just focus on what matters? Let's walk through it together. First, open up your database and look for those groupings. If you're using a board view or even a table view that supports grouping, you'll see these groups listed across the top or down the side, depending on the view type. To rearrange what you see, hover over your database's title and click on Database Settings. This is like the command center for controlling how your data is displayed. Inside the settings, you'll find the option to Group By. Click that, and you'll get a list of properties you can group your database by. In our example, let's choose either Status or Select. When you choose one, Notion will automatically organize all your items under those chosen headings, making it visually clear and separating tasks, notes, or whatever you're tracking into neat, distinct categories. Now, here comes the magic. While you're looking at the list of groups created, move your mouse over to the right side of each group's name. You'll spot a little eye icon, kind of like an indicator saying, "Hey, I'm visible." Clicking this eye icon instantly hides that particular group from your view. So if you're done looking at archived tasks or you want to temporarily remove on-hold items while you're working, just click the eye and Notion tucks that group away. Don't worry. This doesn't delete the tasks or remove the property. It simply hides the group from your current workspace. It's a bit like cleaning up your desk. You aren't throwing things away, just putting them out of sight until you need them again. And if you want a really simple workspace with just the essentials, Notion lets you hide all groups at once. Just look for the option near those groupings. It might say Hide All or show multiple eye icons. Clicking this essentially gives you a blank canvas, only bringing groups back when you decide they're needed. Sometimes this uncluttered view can make a huge difference in your productivity, especially if you're presenting your database to a team or just trying to get a quick overview. That's all there is to it. Hiding hidden groups is a flexible and powerful way to keep your Notion workspace as tidy as you need it to be. If any step feels a little slow to load or hard to spot, don't worry. Notion can take a moment to update your view, and you can always re-show groups by just clicking the eye icon again. Thanks for sticking with me. If you found this Notion tip helpful, please go ahead and give the video a like, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want more advanced Notion tricks, and don't forget to subscribe for new tutorials every week. See you next time.